Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are headed to Santa Monica Beach, but before that we are going to the Hollywood sign and we're gonna take some pictures there. I'll post those on my Instagram, so if you guys do want to see those, follow my Instagram right here. You know, pretty close to, I think, 600 followers over there. I don't post as much, but I will be posting all my pictures on Instagram, and on my TikTok I'll be posting a few videos, so make sure you guys are following both of those. My TikTok is this, and pretty much, yeah. So right now we are packing up the hotel room to head over to the Hollywood sign, and then we're going to be headed over to Santa Monica Beach and the pier over there, and then we're gonna probably check into a hotel. Well, first we're gonna go ahead and go to Beverly Hills, get something to eat, go, like, you know, through Rodeo Drive. And that's the plan for today. So come on. Here at Santa Monica Beach. This is amazing. I just got out of the car. Holy dude. Pacific Ocean itself. Oh, the water's cold actually. Yeah, the water's really cold. Another huge wave coming in. Alright guys, so we just got back from the beach. So obviously we didn't go swimming inside the beach, but the hotel has a pool, and it's currently nighttime and it's pretty cold. Not the pool. The pool is pretty warm, but the outside is extremely cold. This pool is amazing. We got lights up here. Everything. It's amazing, dude. I could actually hear the engines. Yeah. I could actually hear the engines of the airplane. They are taking off right behind me. I don't know if I could see those though, unfortunately. But I could hear the engines of aircrafts because the runway 25 left and 25 right are right behind me, and 24 left and 24 right are right over here in front of me. So I'm pretty much, I guess, in the middle of those. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a swim for a bit, and yeah.